Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram camera effects and filters when they are not working. The first thing we're going to do is make sure the app is fully up to date. So let's go to the Play Store, and once you're here, let's type Instagram. So to the right of Instagram, it's either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you need to update your app. The reason we need to update the app is to get rid of any bugs or logs that may have been part of the last update. So go ahead and update your app. If updating your app doesn't work, we can go ahead and offload the app. So I'm going to settings. And from settings, I'm going to go to apps. Then manage apps. I'm gonna search Instagram. So we have the option to offload the app or delete the app. We're going to storage and then clear data. Clear cache. The reason we offload the app is because it updates and removes the unnecessary data. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app. Alright, one last thing you can do to fix your filter and effects is clear out your phone memory. Delete things on your phone to clear space because filters and effects need more memory. They need RAM to run. That's one last thing you can do. I hope one of these things help you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.